The most valuable benefit at your job is probably sitting unopened in a drawer, and ignoring it means turning down free money every single payday. It's the 401k. Roughly half of working America has access to one, and almost nobody was ever taught how it works. From the branch, I watch people cash them out at every job change, the single most expensive click of their lives. I spent over 20 years in banking, about 10 of them running branches. So today, I'm explaining this machine like you're brand new, because nobody else will. The match, the vesting trap, the two tax doors, and the mistake that quietly costs people six figures. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do with the form nobody explains. Let's get into it. Quick ground rules first. I'm not your banker, your attorney, or your financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. The full legal note lives in the description. That's its home. Every plan's different, and limits and rules change over the years. So confirm your specifics with your plan documents and a professional. Today is about the machine itself, the parts that never change, explained plainly enough to act on. Stories are real, details changed. All right, here's what this thing actually is. A 401k is not an investment, it's a container, a special account your employer offers for retirement money. And the name? Nothing mysterious. It's literally just the line of the tax code where the rule lives. Here's how money gets in. You pick a slice of your paycheck, and payroll moves it automatically, before the money ever touches your hands. That automation is the quiet superpower. You can't forget, you can't flinch, and you can't spend it first. Inside the container, the money gets invested and grows for decades, riding the compound snowball from a recent lesson. Interest earning interest, quietly, for 30 years. So, a container, filled automatically, growing quietly. Now, the part that makes it famous. The match. A lot of employers add their own money when you contribute. That's the match. And it's the closest thing to free money in all of finance. A common shape sounds like this. Put in a portion of your pay, and the company matches some or all of it up to a limit written in your plan. Understand what that is. An instant return on your money that no investment on earth can promise. And here's the part that hurt to watch. Not contributing means declining that match. People turn down raises every payday without even knowing it. When I asked people at the branch why they weren't enrolled, the answer was almost always the same, and it was never money. Nobody ever explained the form. So your first assignment is one sentence to your workplace: what's our match, and what do I contribute to get all of it? Now the fine print that surprises people at the worst possible time. Vesting, the schedule that decides when the match truly belongs to you. First, the good news. Your own contributions are always yours, immediately, completely. Nobody can ever touch what came from your paycheck, but the employer's match? That can arrive on a schedule. Stay long enough and it becomes fully yours. Leave early and some of it stays behind. Two common shapes. A cliff. Everything becomes yours all at once after a set time. Or a slope. A piece each year. From the desk, I met people who quit weeks before their match became theirs. That timing cost them real money, nobody mentioned in the exit interview. So before any job change, ask one question first: how vested am I, and what date changes that? Now the tax magic. And if you saw our tax bracket video, you already own this idea: the staircase and the dollars it never gets to see. Traditional 401k money gets subtracted from your pay before the tax staircase ever sees it. So contribute, and your taxable income shrinks today. The stairs tax a smaller number. Your tax bill drops now. The deal's simple and honest. No tax today, growth untaxed for decades, ordinary tax later when you withdraw it in retirement. You're not escaping the staircase, you're choosing when to climb it. And a lot of people climb it at a gentler step in retirement, when income's smaller. That's door number one, tax later. And most plans now offer a second door. The Roth version, where it's offered, flips the deal. You pay tax on the money now, before it goes in, then the growth. All those decades of compounding on top of compounding comes out tax-free in retirement, once the plan's rules are met. Picture two doors into the same warm room. One charges admission at the entrance. One charges at the exit, decades later. Neither door is a trick. The honest question is just when you'd rather pay: entering or leaving. Which one fits you depends on your income now, your expectations later, and your plan's options. That's a professional conversation, and a good one to have. For today, just know both doors exist, and that form probably asked you to choose without explaining either. Now, what's inside the room? Inside the container, your money buys investments from a menu your plan chose. Usually funds, baskets of many investments, not single stocks. And almost every menu includes the autopilot option, built for people who never wanted this homework. The target date fund. You pick the fund closest to your retirement year, and it adjusts itself over the decades. Bolder while you're young, calmer as the date approaches. It's not perfect, and it's not the only choice. But it's built for exactly the person nobody taught. One decision, then decades of autopilot. One honest flag from the desk, because nobody reads this page. Funds carry fees, small percentages that compound too, quietly, against you, for decades. So ask your plan for the fee sheet. You don't need to be an expert to prefer the lower number between similar funds. Now the two mistakes I watched for 20 years from the branch window. And the second one is that expensive click from the beginning of this video. Mistake 1. Contributing nothing while a match sits waiting. We covered it. Free money declined every payday. Mistake 2. The cash out. A job ends, a letter offers you the balance, and after a hard season, it looks like a windfall. People take the check. That check pays ordinary taxes, plus an added penalty before retirement age. And something worse. It executes the compound snowball mid-roll. The right move is the direct rollover. The money travels straight from the old plan to the new plan or an IRA. Never let the check come to you. Ask for trustee to trustee. And if a check ever does arrive, a clock starts. Get help fast before it costs you. Let me make it real. 2 coworkers from my branch's town. Details changed. Hired the same year, same company, same starting pay. One clicked enroll during orientation. At the match, into the target date autopilot. Then she forgot about it, on purpose, for 20 years. The other meant to start later, once things settled down, but later kept moving. Years of laters. The form stayed in the drawer. 20 years on, they both banked at my branch. Her statements arrived quarterly, and the balance had become a second house she never had to build. He wasn't foolish. He was never taught. He said the words I heard my whole career. Nobody ever explained it to me. The difference was never intelligence, or income, or luck. It was one click at one desk on one afternoon. So here's the whole machine as a checklist, and almost all of it takes one honest afternoon at a kitchen table. First, find out if your job offers a plan and get the match formula in writing. Second, enroll to at least the full match. That's the floor, not the ceiling. Third, add your beneficiary while you're in there. As our probate video taught, that form beats the will, so keep it current. Fourth, check your vesting date before any job change. And when you leave, roll, never cash. And fifth, when raises come, send a slice to the container before your budget meets it. Future you is quietly building a house. So, the 401k. A container filled automatically, often matched with free money, growing on the compound snowball for decades. 2 tax doors, one honest question of when to pay. A menu with an autopilot. And 2 mistakes that undo all of it. The staircase and the nest were always connected. This is lesson 2 of our money school, and there's a lot more coming. Somewhere in your life is a new hire holding a form nobody explained. Send them this video today. And subscribe, because there's a new lesson every week. And protecting your money is what we do here. I'll see you in the next video.